Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. It doesn't have anything to do with food. It has to do with shopping. Better yet, Christmas shopping. So yeah, I wasn't intending to do Christmas shopping today. I've been pretty much done all my shopping for my kids. I have 5 kids to buy for, my husband, and a few extra little gifts, my nieces and stuff like that. So that's pretty much done. Today, I'll show you. This is what I was going for. I just wanted to go to Dollarama to get plain brown paper. This year, I've decided this is what I'm going to use for wrapping my gifts. And I'll show you why. 4 years ago, just after Christmas, my mom passed away. Her last time ever being out anywhere was in my home for Christmas. She got to be here overnight Christmas Eve. She was here when we brought our puppy home, Dexter, on Christmas Eve. As you've seen, he's no longer a puppy. So that was a really special Christmas. She passed away January 18th of that year, so that'll be 4 years ago this January 18th. Anyways, when she passed away, I'm her only child, so I inherited a lot of stuff. She was very crafty. One of the things I inherited was this beautiful box, all these ribbons. Actually, I have another box too. So I thought this year I would just buy plain brown wrapping paper, use some of her beautiful ribbons to decorate the gifts. And the bonus with that wrapping paper is that it's recyclable. So that was my plan when I went to Dollarama. I was just going to grab that, maybe look and grab a couple of other things. Well, I left Dollarama spending almost $100, like $97. So I thought today maybe we would just do a little Dollarama haul. I would go over everything that I bought. Some of it's super cute. Oh my God, I can't resist all the Christmas stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to get set up and I will show you everything I bought. Oh, and I figured for this video, maybe I better really get in the mood. So I got my ugly Christmas sweater on and I'm ready to go. And Dexter's not happy. He's outside because some of the gifts that I got are for him. And I know when he sees them, he's going to know that. He's barking at the window, but he's fine. He just got back from the park. And yeah, I'm going to get set up. Let's get going. All right, guys, I'm sorry that the lighting is so terrible. I don't have all the proper equipment to be filming all this. Hopefully I will soon start to acquire some of that so I don't have the lighting ring or any of that kind of stuff. So hopefully you can see okay, and we'll just quickly go through what I got. So like I showed you, I got a bunch of the brown wrapping paper. I got like 6 rolls because I have a lot of gifts and some of them are really big. I mean, you can never have too much wrapping paper. It will be there next year, right? So some of the not as fun stuff that I got, like as a non sort of Christmassy stuff. Well, I got this. It's not going to be for turkey. It's going to be for my ham. I picked up my ham at Costco yesterday. So that, I do have other dishes, but I thought I'd get an extra one because I don't know what else I'm going to make yet, and I may need extra. What else did I get? I got some tin foil. Can never have too much tin foil. I don't think I have any, so I figured I'd grab that. I grabbed Comet. I don't really use this, but I only use it for my boys' bathroom tub because it gets really bad. I avoid that bathroom at like all cost. It's just their bathroom. But when I got to get in there and give it a really deep clean, I use this. And where is it? Like a scrub like these, and I just scrub the hell out of it, and that seems to be the easiest way to clean their bathroom. So I got those. Dexter's kind of peeking in the window, so I'm gonna carefully do this. I got him the cutest little moose. He loves these. He'll probably rip it apart. It'll probably last a day. So I was gonna get, they had sets at Costco that were like for 3 little animals, and it was like $30. It might be better quality. We'll just have to keep an eye on him with this. We won't leave him alone with it. And he was so excited last Christmas, you guys. It was so cute when he got his little gifts. Like, he was so excited. He was just like one of the kids. So he's gonna love that. Then I got him one that's more specific dog toy. It's like this little giraffe that he can play with. I got him, oh my goodness, you guys, I'm not very prepared here. What else did I get Dexter? Oh, this little, it's another little doggy thing. It's like a chew thing, I don't know, little toy. And I don't know where his little beggins are. Some kind of dog treats. I don't know where they are. I'll find them after. So like a little bag of like the bacon, little bacon wrap things that I'm sure he will love. Here they are. He never gets this kind of stuff, so he's gonna love that. So that's Dexter's Christmas presents. So cute. Spoiled dog. All right, so next, moving on. I've done a little bit of Christmas baking. It's not really baking because I haven't really actually baked anything, but more like making chocolates and stuff. But I'm sure that there will be more, and as I've told you before, I'm doing an open house Christmas Day. So I got some really cute Tupperware containers. You see that? These do have lids. They're in the bag. And I thought that these would be really cute to store the Christmas baking or other stuff, whatever, in, and then I can just pull it out, put it on the counter when I have my open house, and we're good to go. I don't need to put it in any. I thought these were cute just to serve in as well. Throw the lid on after everybody's gone home. If I have leftovers, throw it in the fridge. Good to go. Done. I got another tablecloth. It's just like a plastic. It's got a little bit of flannel underneath. And I think I'm gonna put that on my center island. I have one on my table right now that I use every year, and I just thought I'd grab another one. I may put it on the center island. I don't know. We'll try it, see if it works. So got that. I need to get a gift for a coworker. We did like a Secret Santa thing for a coworker at work. It's supposed to be homemade. So the best that I can do when it comes to homemade is I made some of that chocolate, Christmas chocolate, and I wrapped it in like little cellophane bags with little ribbons on it, and I'm just gonna pop it into this mug, and I thought that would make a really cute gift. So I'll show you that at the end of the video. I'll put one in there and I'll show you how that turns out. Just like I'm gonna show you some of my wrapped gifts at the end of this video as well, because after I finish doing this, I'm gonna go up to my room, pull out all the Christmas presents that I bought for all the kids, and just see that I've got everything, and I'm gonna start wrapping. For stockings. Just for the kids, only 4, because one of my little stocking, one of my kids is vegan, so she won't eat that. Same with these stockings. This chocolates. Okay, as you can see behind me, I think that our stockings are a little pathetic, especially the one on the end. It's all ripped. This one's ripped. I don't know, the other ones are okay, but I figured it was time to grab a few new ones. We lost one. I had, if you see the shimmery one, it's really cute. So we're gonna still use this one. It's shimmery. I had a green one like that. I lost a box this year somehow so I lost one stocking. How does that happen? How's one stocking not with all the others? And I lost all my garland and like a string of lights. So yeah, I have no idea. Maybe it'll turn up somewhere. I don't know what happened with it. But anyways, I got some new ones. If the kids want to use them, they can. If they want the old ones, that's fine. They can stick with that. So anyway, cute new stockings. 3 of them, because I knew that at least 2 of our stockings were still really good. So we'll see. I don't know if they'll want to use it, but okay. I got some little cute little like paper bag gift bags. As you can see, I kind of have a certain aesthetic I like. I like the brown paper bag look with cute little designs. So I got those. These are just to throw in with my niece's gifts that I got them. I got them pajamas and bath bombs, and these are just cute little Christmas crafts that I just thought I'd throw in with their gifts. These are what I bought to put their gifts in, and I just think that they are the cutest little bags ever. They're like burlap bags. So one has Frosty and one has a little penguin. Like, how cute are those? I just got a little, I just gotta clean it up a little bit, but yeah, so cute. Figured they could save those. I don't know, put their stocking stuff in those on Christmas. We'll open our Christmas gifts with them on Christmas Eve, so then they can have these for Christmas morning. I don't know. I just couldn't resist. They were so cute, like $3 each. And then I got more gift bags. Brown paper gift bags to go with my brown paper wrapped gifts. Another one of the little gift bags. I know, I went a little crazy, but like I said, we can keep these, right? We can use it over again. So use it over again, or leftovers can be used for next year. So that was my thinking. So then I found these, and they're not like name tags. They're just little stickers. So what I thought was these will be really cute in my brown paper wrapped presents. Put these on there, and then I'll probably just write people's names right on the brown paper, right? So I can write it in nice little writing. So I don't necessarily need gift tags. I do have some gift tags upstairs, but I just thought these were so cute. Right? You know what? And that is almost it. I got some poop bags. I usually get the recyclable poop bags. Something that's been really on my mind lately, the things I think about, I don't know. I buy the more expensive recycling poop bags for my dog, and then we throw them in the regular garbage at the park. Doesn't really make sense, and I don't really want to bring the poop bags back in the truck or carry them home with me. So why are we spending money on the recyclable poop bags and then throwing them in the regular garbage that's going to go to the dump in a plastic bag? I mean, I guess it's still better. Those bags will still decompose, but they're still in a plastic bag at the dump. So things that make you go, Anyways, the only other thing I got was a couple of these. Hopefully my kids aren't watching. If they are, oh well, it won't ruin their whole Christmas, but this is just for two of the boys. Stockings. They say that they are touch screen gloves, so that's why it has the white end, so you can actually use your phone when you have the gloves on. So anyways, that's about it. I don't know how that added up to $100, but it did. So yeah, anyways, lots of fun, guys. I'm going to grab all this stuff, take it upstairs, and I'm gonna start pulling out all the Christmas presents I've bought. I will put a clip in at the end of this to show you how I've wrapped some of my presents and to show you my little gift for my coworker and how some of this stuff turns out. So I'm gonna stop talking here though, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Lots of fun. I'm super excited for Christmas. As you can see, I got all of my Christmas stuff. I'm excited. It's a miserable day out, so it's a good day just to spend time getting stuff done for Christmas. We have 2 weeks, people. Only 2 weeks left. Actually, yeah. No, not even 2 weeks. Under 2 weeks. So I hope you're getting ready for Christmas. I hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Alright guys, I got a bunch of wrapping done. I thought I would show you how they turned out. I really love these. I think they're simple and really beautiful. I think this one's my favorite. So cute. Look at all the cool ribbon. I love it. So, and then I had some boxes left from last year that I'm using. Some of my gift bags. Look at how cute these are. These are for my nieces. I need to get some tissue paper to put inside. So cute. Dexter loves them too. Dex, leave it. So, yeah, I'm really happy with how that turned out, and I barely put a dent in my Christmas wrapping, but oh well. And then I'm just gonna show you this. That's gonna be like that for the gift for my coworker. And I'm just gonna put this inside. How cute is that? This is the chocolate bark that my daughter and I made. It's chocolate pretzels, Oreos, and M&Ms. So cute. I might see if I can add a little something. I don't know yet. Yeah. Pretty happy with all of that. Keep that in the freezer for now. Yay, Christmas.